Hello, it's bubucheol, and I'm here with an unboxing, and I'm so excited for it. So I ordered some Ideal Cut and Carat summer camp goods. So this is that. The box is pretty beat up, but hopefully everything is all good and safe. And yeah, I actually ordered this maybe 2 days before the concert. I found these sellers, Amy and Caitlin, on eBay, and then just by chance I asked them, I was like, do you guys think you can get me some Ideal Cut or what is it, Ideal Cut or Carat summer camp goods, please? And they said yeah. So this is that, these goods. I asked them originally for 1 pack of trading cards, and then I just kept adding things, and then I told my friends about it, and we just all ordered together, so shipping would be cheaper altogether. Okay, so there's quite a bit. Oh, gee. Okay, so I was so worried that this was going to be packaged really rough, but oh my god, they packaged it. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. They packaged this flawlessly. Look at this. I'm so, oh my god, Amy. Okay. How do I do this? Oh. Okay. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay. Flip it over. Dun, dun, dun. I also ordered more stuff, but they're coming in separately. Not through them, I ordered them through 17 Carats, so that will come in at a later time. I don't know if I'll try to include that in this video though. Okay, so there's this, and this. Alrighty. How should I organize these? Okay. Dun. This is all me, I guess. Okay. Okay. Let me start first with this because this is so cute. Okay, so I ordered the. I don't know why I was thinking mochi, but I ordered this bong pass case. It was just too cute, too fluffy that I didn't want to give it up. Let's see. Sign. Oh, it feels so good. I'm like kind of scared because I just painted my nails. So it has a little string for it to stretch. And then it has a little pass holder right here. And then it's also a little coin purse through here. And I thought it was, I don't know if you guys ever been to Build-A-Bear, but you know, like when there's the speaking, like squishable things, it felt like that. And I was like, what the heck is that? Do they like speak through this? But no, it's just the little roll thing up here. And yeah, it's super cute. It's really soft, really pretty, really happy. Okay, next it is an Ideal Cut shirt. I got a pink one. I keep buying 17 shirts. Why? I don't know. It's just, so my favorite color is pink. So should I? Yeah, I'll just keep it like this. So my favorite color is pink. Oh, I squished it. So my favorite color is pink, so I got a pink shirt. Oh, okay, thank God. Oh wait, no. So these shirts, I was seeing 17 wear them, and I was like, they look so humongously long. I am scared. I'm terrified. But it doesn't seem too bad, too long. Seems pretty averagey. There's nothing else to it that I know of. Let me see. No, it's just a pink shirt with a little pink with the logos the unit logos embroidered. I forgot what is what. I think this is performance. Hip hop? Vocal? I don't know. They probably like mix them all up right now. But yeah, that's something else. I got also we bought a whole bunch of uchuas, so we got a whole bunch of protective cases because they were $1. So we got a whole bunch of that. They're just regular uchua protection sleeves. They were $1, really cheap, really good. Now, what should I do first? Okay, I'm gonna do this one first. Okay. Oh, I'm so happy about this one. Okay, so I ordered uchuas, but I've like regretted not getting Scoop's ideal cut or his I recently became I don't know how to open this without cutting the plastic because I don't want to damage this. Okay, there we go. Ooh, okay. So happy. I think there's no way to like not damage this plastic. Oh, it doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter. Oh god, this is so hard. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I really wanted more Carat summer camp uchuas because they're so cute, and like if you think back to Carat camp, those uchuas, they're so hard to find, especially S-Coops. I found one on eBay, Yahoo Auctions, Japan, but he was like almost $100. It was insane. So I was like, whatever I want now, get it now, just get it over with instead of being filled with like buyer regret later. So I got this S-Coops one. He looks so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh, look at how cute he looks. Oh. Okay, then next I got Joshua. He looks super cute. Look at him. Oh, so cute. And then right here it says Carat. I think that's a summer camp. I'm not 100% sure. Then also my friend, she bought Mingyu's uchuas, so here's his ideal cut one. Then it just says Mingyu ideal cut. Then also his summer camp one. He looks super cute here. Yeah. Do these say different things? I think they might say different things. I'm not 100% sure. Then this one. I got this as a present for America. She really wanted this uchua and it was her birthday recently, so I bought it. But it's a secret. She won't know this till she gets it, so I'm not gonna upload this till I send it over to her. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I wish I bought it now. They're gonna do what's it called? Let me just do a close-up of this. You can see their little faces right there. And dun dun, the family photo. And it's just so pretty, so cute. This back part is so beautiful. I love this back part. Look at Dino, such a cute baby. I love this one. So I got that as a present and I'm so happy. Then this is mine. This is the S-Coops one. Ideal cut that I originally didn't want to order this. I don't think I even wanted to order this originally. So these three are mine. I originally just wanted Joshua and Dino's Carat summer camp uchua, but I wasn't able to get it because he sold out because he's a little Mr. Popular, so maybe next time. Also they're doing what's it called? They're reselling some Carat camp and ideal cut goods through HMV. So, but I don't know what type of goods exactly they'll be selling, but they will be doing that. So I'm excited to find out what it is. Okay, so this is from Amy and Caitlin, I think. Let's see. Before I read the letter and get so sad. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my god. Did they make this or is this like official? It looks so pretty. Look at that. I'm I'm so happy. They're too sweet. Okay. Let me try to open this one first. Sophia, thank you for mourning us. You can see how overboard I went. I got 10 freaking trading card bags. Oh my god. 7 Uchiwas. And then the secret 0213. 1 secret S-Coops Uchiwa? Oh no. I forgot to mention that was mine. And then secret Mingyu and secret Mingyu. No, they're not secret. Josh already knew that she was getting her things. And then, yeah, that's what I got. And then, also, this is their little info stuff on where I got my goods. They also have an eBay, so you guys can definitely check them out through there. And yeah, okay, so I just want to show a little bit more of the freebies. Okay, so I got, oh, it's Joshua. Let this focus. Oop. Joshua. Then Dino. Oh my god, this is like one of my favorite photos. S-Coops. Then little freebie cards. This is S-Coops. This is little freebie. Yeah. HMV. Mingyu. I'll get this to, what's it called? Josh. And then Joshua. Ooh, this one's so pretty. I love this album. Teenage. The White Concept. Oh my god. This one's so beautiful. Oh, this one's so cute. It makes me want to buy the HMV photo card, but those photo cards are too expensive. Okay. Let me see what this is too. I hate ripping stickers, but I like also suck at opening things. Okay. Card translations. Oh, they're too sweet. Oh my god. Look, they did card translations. That's so crazy. Okay. While I read them, I'll try to look at that. Okay. Okay. I'm too excited. Too pumped. Okay. Okay, so I got a lot of cards. Okay, so this is S-Coops. Are they all just... Oh, these cards feel super thick. What the heck? Oh, Japan cards. They're so good. Quality. Should I take this out? Or... I kind of want to keep it in the sleeve. Will it be too reflective? No, it's fine. Okay, so this is his S-Coops little one. Joshua. I'm just too happy. Oh, look, it's even 80. Oh, okay. Okay, and then Joshua's little Polaroid. This is Hoshi, illustrated by Joshua. That's so cute. Oh my god. Okay. Let me see. Does this one say? No, it's not yet. Okay. Then Wanu's. And it says, it's the 8, illustrated by Wanu. Look at his little mullet. Oh my god. I love this all too much. Okay. Sungwan. Baby. Dino, illustrated by Sungwan. Oh my god. And look, it has 98. Oh my god. It's like a coincidence, but still. 98 line. Dino. And then he did Jonghan, illustrated by Dino. That's cute. So they didn't do it by age order, I guess? Or guess not. Then Mingyu. Dun 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 dun. Then Joshua. And these are a little bit like profile cards because it has their birthday and blood type. And then June. Wait, what? Performance unit is green? Wasn't hip hop unit originally green? Weird. I feel like, yeah, I think the poster for hip hop unit in Seoul, it was emerald. I don't know. Weird. Okay, so Wanu, blue, has his little birthday right there. Yep. And then Vernon. Dun, dun. Should I hurry up? Scoops. Then this is, they're supposed to draw carrots, I think. So he drew a little carrot ring, I guess, and it's sparkly. And these are apparently rare. I didn't know that. Look at how pretty it is. Ooh. And these are, I got my whole set here. Oh, this one, did they like run out of sleeves? I think they forgot of one sleeve. Joshua. And this one, oh, this one's so cute. This one makes me so happy. It makes me think of cereal. I don't know why. Oh, wait. Okay, and then Vernon. Dun, dun. And this one. Dun, dun. Oh, it looks so cute. Oh, I love them so much. So much. Okay, and then this is scoops. I guess these are the translation ones. So this is that. So I guess the translation is, I want to know everything about you. That's so cute. Okay. And then Jonghan's transparent card says, oops. It says, come here to my heart. These are so cheesy. Oh my god. And I guess they hand wrote them. 17, I mean. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. So now this one, Joshua. And then this one apparently says, I'll love you forever. And I guess it's probably written like extra cute in Japanese and stuff. And then let's see what else. After it's Wanu, and it's, am I good enough for you? And that's probably cuter than how I'm reading it in my tone. Sungwan. Like that. And it says, what does it say? Because I'll treasure you for the rest of my life, stay by my side forever. It's so cheesy. Oh my god. I'm like, okay. Dino. Oh, look at how cute he looks. Okay. So this is what to do. My love grows stronger every day. That's so cheesy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is Joshua. And then these cards are so pretty in the back. The color, the gradient is so beautiful. This one says ideal cut. I guess. I don't know what this, I'm assuming this is ideal cut too. I don't know. And this is June. Dun, dun. Oops. Wanu. I'm gonna try to go through this faster because it's taking forever. And done. Oops. Sungwan. Dun dun. Dino. I hope I can order his Carat summer camp, Uchua. Hope that's up for reorder because it looks so cute. I really want it. I really, really want it. Then Vernon, and Hoshi. They look so cute. Then S-Cubes in June. Dun dun. Dun. Then it is S-Cubes in Joshua. Ooh, my two-face. So cute. So cute. And then, okay, hip-hop unit. So cute. Look at this. Who drew this? Oh, I want to know who drew this. Did they, like, draw themselves? I guess they drew themselves. Okay, so Wanu, Mingyu, Vernon, S-Cubes. Wait, what? Who's this? I'm pretty sure. Wait, what? No. This is. Oh no, am I? Who's who? I'm pretty sure this is Wano, but I'm not sure. I'm also not sure. I feel like this is Mingyu and Vernon. And this is S-Coops, but I also don't know at all. Yeah. Then it's this one. Oops. Mingyu and Dino. Oh, he looks so good. He looks so good. Dun dun. And lastly, Mingyu, Venom. Dun dun. And I'm gonna give some of these cards to Joss. I bought her a pack because her birthday was also the same day as America's, so bought her a little gift. Okay, now these are America's cards, and I don't want to mix them up, so I'm gonna try to keep them as separate as possible. Okay. I don't know if I should open this. She said I can, so hopefully it's okay. Hopefully I don't damage anything. These are America's freebies, so I'm not gonna open that. Just keep that little gift and surprise for her. Okay, so it has a little pack of the pack of trading card packs here, just like empty slots in case she wants to keep them. And then America asked for a, what was it? She asked for an S-Cube set, so that's what she got. She got because Amy and Caitlin, they were trying to trade for whatever we had available, so she ended up getting a June one to trade, I guess. Look at that, that looks so cute. June did that. Is mine. Then hip hop unit. This one looks good. What the heck? Look at their signatures. One of his signatures so pretty and cute. And it actually says ideal cut. I don't know if you can see it. Like, kind of. You can't really see it as well. Can you? It says it like little. It's dark though, so it's hard to see. Then Mingyu. I'm not Mingyu. Minghao. The 8. Dun dun. And his ideal cut card. Cute. Cute. Vernon and Hoshi again. Dun dun. And like Amy and Caitlin, they weren't selling these packs for super expensive. Like I know like the resale value for these cards, like each they're like almost 10 plus, but each pack here it was $7.50, so it wasn't too bad. Dun dun. Then Ming Kao and his little card. This is so long. I'm so sorry. Dun dun. Dun dun. Then hip hop unit again. Okay. Then Vernon Joshua. Dun dun. I think these cards are mostly the same. Oh, I don't have this card. I'm trying to find this card. If you have a pack, please trade me one of my cards for this one, please. Please, please. And yep. Then S-Coops again, and it's still saying the same thing of, what was it? I want to know everything about you, Mr. Cheesy over here. Then dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. And that's it. That's all of America's cards. And yep. Yep. That was everything. Okay, so these are America's cards. America's all the little packs. All the trading cards. My trading card stuff. So many cards. Oh, went overboard because like they were cheap-ish. And now my wallet is like in pain. So yeah. This is it for this part. Once I get the other stuff in the mail, I'll try to show that here too. So yeah. Alright. Thank you for watching this little part. Thanks. Bye bye. So the last thing I ordered relating to Ideal Cut and Carat Summer Camp arrived. So the last thing were these earrings. They're super cute, super tiny. And then, as you can see, jewels, Carat Summer Camp, Uchua. And that was it. Yeah, that was all of it. thank you for watching. I know the video was long. Yeah, thank you if you did watch till the end. Alright, bye!